Number 16, 14j plus 5k equals m. The given equation relates the numbers j, k, and m. Which equation correctly expresses k in terms of j and m? Anytime you see this expressing a variable in the terms of the other variable, it's very posh and very fancy, isn't it? All they're wanting you to do is not to solve. You're not going to get a number, like a solution for this variable, in this case, k. You're not going to find out that k equals 5 or something like that. No. They want you to have k equals, and they want everything else moved over onto the other side. So I'm starting with 14j plus 5k equals m, and they want everything else over here and k all by itself. Another phrasing you might see is solve for k. Solve for the indicated variable. This all means the same thing. When we say express k in terms of j and m, put k in terms of j and m, solve for k, all means the same thing, what we're about to do. All right, so I'm going to treat this like any other algebra problem, and I'm just going to undo what's been done to k to get it by itself. Here, I get rid of anything that's outside first, and then anything that's attached to it last. So outside, I have 14j being added to the 5k. So I'm going to subtract the 14j from both sides. On the left, that just leaves me with 5k now because those 14j's canceled out. And on the right, I have my m minus 14j. Then the next thing that's happened to k is it was multiplied by 5. To do the opposite of that, I need to divide by 5. So I'm going to divide this by 5. On the right, I can write it as the whole thing divided by 5, or you can also write it as both of those individually divided by 5. Looking over at my answers, I do not see anything that's like that. I see things that are over 5. I see this one, which looks like maybe it was divided by 5, it was simplified, but I have to look at it a little more closely. So I'm just going to say that since both of these are showing all of it over 5, that's what they want. That's what I'm going to assume. So I'm going to start with that. And if I don't find one that matches, I can try to get it the other way, deal with it the other way. Both are the same thing, and different problems may require you to do it either of those two ways. It's identical. So here, 5k, I divide that by 5. So on the left, I am left with k. And on the right, I have m minus 14j all over 5. And sometimes you'll be doing these problems and you'll get to a point that is a correct answer. And then you look at the options and it don't match exactly. That means you have to do some additional math to kind of transform this into one of those answers. But fortunately for you and for me, this is not one of those times. And there it is, exactly as we have it. K equals m minus 14j over 5. A is my answer. Hey guys, if this was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know so I can keep helping you and others like you. Comment, like, share, subscribe, you know the drill. Also, if you're interested in practical or fun math-related items like this math clock or this hopefully humorous t-shirt, click on the links down below to check out my Spread Shop and Etsy stores. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.